Today we're going to talk about climate change and how it affects our planet. This is Dobie, who doesn't believe climate change is real, but just in a few minutes, all of that will change.
I chose to talk about climate change because people don't realize what is really happening around them. They don't realize that humans are slowly destroying Earth, our one and only planet. Climate change presents several significant problems impacting various aspects of the environment and human life. Melting polar ice and expanding seawater due to the higher temperature leads to coastal erosion and flooding, threatening coastal cities and habitats. But the real question is, how much time do we have left?
Firstly, we wanted our robots to have a connection to help our performance. We started considering Bluetooth connection, but we couldn't perform it because the turtle robot was already connected to another robot via Bluetooth. Then, we thought about using an I2C connection, but it required a lot of soldering because one of the PCBs didn't have the pins ready and we wanted an easier way. Since we just needed the turtle to send one beat to the rover robot, we made it a lot easier by just installing an XP network module on the turtle robot so that it'll be a part of the network system.
Music licensing reimagined.
And then you use stiffen chain off. So you can move it as you like. And then you go on the time limit.
Superteam helped us to gather information and learn about each other's cultures, algorithms, mechanics, and working hard together. We got to get familiar with the Italy's team's programming and how they got their humanoid robot to move, which was interesting for everyone. Then we learned about Iran's team technology of how they connect their turtle robot to their hat. And at last, we learned about the Brazil team's technology on live animation.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so it's perfect. I say we try it one more time with the horse and everything. If you guys are part of the video, because
No, we should.
It's wrong though.
It's fine.
Of what the humanoid robot can do. At the end of the scenario, it shows its honor and love to people by waving hearts.
Let's recharge the program. Okay, go ahead.
Cinematic is for nature.